Hello, my name is Thelma. Pretty much I want to share my experience with Dr. Mirrafati. I want to say everything has been great. Starting with my first procedure, he has done 3 procedures on me. The first one was my breast augmentation. I always wanted to look better, but my fears were to find the right doctor. So I did some research and found Dr. Mirrafati. I read his reviews. He had really great reviews, but I thought it would be great to meet him and see what he has to say. So made the appointment. His staff was very professional and knowledgeable and accommodated me to my time and to explain to me how his appointments work. So the first day of my first appointment, I met Monica. Monica made sure that I was comfortable and reassured me that everything was going to be okay and that I shouldn't be worried about anything. Without even meeting the doctor, I was already feeling relief, like, wow, I think I'm in good hands. The minute I met the doctor, I felt so comfortable. I could tell his passion for what he does. So he explained to me what could be done and what it needed to be done, and we went over all the information, and I did not even hesitate. I felt like, yes, he will do a great work on me, and I'm so happy. So my breast got done, followed the directions. The incisions where he made to press the implants were intact. I don't even have a scar anymore. He explained to me what was going to happen. I did not have any discomfort. I followed his directions. After 6 months, I thought, oh, maybe I should work in my stomach. Maybe he can do something about it. I came to see him again, and of course, with a big smile, he reassured me that he could do it for me, that I would look great, and he gave me instructions what was gonna happen, what it needed to be done, and as long as I followed his instructions, everything was going to be okay. So the day came, he did all kinds of drawing on me, which was kind of like a little boy drawing on my body. I was wondering, wow, what is so many lines? After the procedure, I realized that, wow, he knew what he was doing. He's knowledgeable and talented and mostly very passionate for what he does. So everything worked out great. I had my tummy tuck, no complications, no infections. As long as you follow the instructions, everything is going to be great. After a year, I thought maybe I can get my butt to finish with the way I want my body to be done. Again, came to see it. Monica's still there. Monica's still reassuring me that everything is going to be great, and we were so happy to see me back. I felt like it was my family, my friends, seeing back. To see them, I was seeing them back again. It was making me feel like, wow, this feels so good to someone to remember you and knowing what you've been through and being always supportive. So we made the appointment for the BBS, went through that procedure. You have to say, did not even have to take any medication for the pain. Follow all the directions, did what I was supposed to do, ate well. Came back from my post-op. My incisions were amazingly healed well, and that has to do a lot, but you can tell. His protocol for sterilization, his surgery room, his anesthesiologist, his staff, everybody is on top of everything. So I'm very happy with the results. I had I want to say, the best doctor, the best surgeon. Nobody probably could have done any better work than he does for me. So here's my buddy. Thank you.